Okay, here we have question 9. Okay, and we've got this triangle where we have P and Q are both midpoints. Okay, and this is a really nice combination of what we've been doing earlier plus question 8 beforehand. Okay, but if you haven't watched those, don't worry, you can still do everything in this question. Okay, so right in terms of A and B, let's label what A and B is first. So A to B, okay, this whole A to B is A, and then A to C is B. Okay, I should probably not cover Q so much there. All right. Right in terms of A and B, B to C. Okay, so we want this one here. Okay, so B to C, we follow the path round, it's going to be A plus B. A to P, A to P. Okay, key bit here is going in the opposite direction. Okay, so we should know that this is, because it's the midpoint, this is split up into a half A and a half A. But P to A, right, this direction, P to A is a half A. So A to P is negative a half A. Okay, A to Q yet again is going to be a half, but it's going in the direction of B, it's going down in this direction, so it's just a half B. Okay, P to Q now. All right, we figured out, we've used the previous parts, P to Q is going to be P to A plus A to Q. P to A plus A to Q. Okay, and luckily enough, we've already figured that out in these two parts. Okay, well, P to A is going to be a half A. Okay, it's different to A to P, and then A to Q is going to be a half B. Okay, so P to Q is a half A plus a half B. All right, now part B, show that these are parallel. Okay, remember in parallel we need to share a scale factor. Okay, so we've got B to C is 2 times P to Q. Right, because 2 times a half would be A plus B, which is P to C. Okay, so this means just the scale factor is 2. They are parallel. Okay, and that ends question